Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a PDF file from clipboard using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file Foxit PDF Editor or simply open this Foxit PDF Editor software. And now click on this select option and select text or image, and I will copy this text and press right button for mouse and select copy. Now go convert option and select here from clipboard. Converting, and see this text now converted to a PDF file. And also I'll go this Word file and I'll copy this text, copy. Now go Foxit and now click on this from clipboard and see this. Also created this PDF file from Word file. In this way you can create PDF file from clipboard. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.